It's one of the most powerful sacramentals in the Catholic Church. A small medal with deep spiritual meaning and a history of defeating evil. Today we uncover the mystery behind the Saint Benedict Medal, what it means, why it's so powerful, and how to use it in your spiritual life. The Saint Benedict Medal traces its roots back to the great saint himself, Benedict of Nursia, founder of the Benedictine order and father of Western monasticism. While Saint Benedict never personally created this medal, it reflects his deep devotion to the cross of Christ and his constant battle against evil. The earliest references to this medal date back to the 1400s, but its current design was officially approved by Pope Benedict XIV in the 18th century. But what makes this medal so unique? Every letter, every symbol has a meaning, and together they form a spiritual weapon. On one side, we see Saint Benedict holding a cross in his right hand and the rule of Saint Benedict in his left. Around the edge, the Latin words, Eius in obitu nostro praesentia muniamur. May we be strengthened by his presence in the hour of our death. This reminds us that Saint Benedict is the patron of a happy death, and we can call upon his intercession in our final moments. The reverse side is where we find the real spiritual armor. At the center, a cross. Around it, mysterious letters that form powerful Latin prayers. First, around the cross, you'll find the phrase Crux Sancti Patris Benedicti, the cross of the Holy Father Benedict. On the vertical bar of the cross, the words, Crux Sacra sit mihi lux. May the Holy Cross be my light. On the horizontal bar, Non Draco sit mihi dux. May the dragon never be my guide. These words remind us to let Christ lead our path, never the enemy. And around the edge of the medal, we find a direct command against Satan. Vade retro satana, numquam suade mihi vana, sunt malaquae libus ipse venena bibus. In English, begone, Satan, never tempt me with your vanities. What you offer me is evil. Drink the poison yourself. This isn't just a decoration, it's a battle cry against evil. A reminder that through the cross of Christ, victory is ours. Now let's hear this powerful prayer all together.
Lux sacra sit mihi lux, non draco sit mihi dux, vare retro satana, numquam suare mihi vana, sunt malaque libas, ipse venena bibas.
Lux sacra sit mihi lux, non draco sit mihi dux, vare retro satana, numquam suare mihi vana, sunt malaque libas, ipse venena bibas.
Lux sacra sit mihi lux, non draco sit mihi dux, vade retro satana, numquam suare mihi vana, sunt malaque libas, ipse venena bibas.
The Saint Benedict Medal is not magic. It's a sacramental. Its power comes from Christ and the victory of the cross. The medal becomes a means of grace, protection against evil, help in temptation, and strength in faith. Saint Benedict himself relied on the sign of the cross to expose evil, like when his enemies tried to poison him, and he made the sign of the cross over the cup, revealing a serpent. How can you use it? Wear it around your neck, keep it in your home, or place it in your car. The Church has a special blessing for the Saint Benedict Medal, which includes prayers of exorcism. From that moment, it becomes a powerful tool of grace and protection. The Saint Benedict Medal isn't just a symbol, it's a sign of your commitment to Christ and a shield against the enemy. Remember, our strength comes from the cross. Carry it with faith, live its meaning, and let the peace of Christ be with you always.